Alright, today I am going to show you how to turn on the ceiling lights in a vehicle. The ceiling lights are also called the dome lights or the overhead lights or just the interior lights of a vehicle. I'm going to show you how to turn them on. I'm going to show you how to turn them off. I'm also going to show you how to turn on the reading lights as well as turn them off. And one of the most important things is how to turn on and off the door light. So when you open the doors, the light goes on. You can have it setting so you can have it turn on when you open the doors and then turn off when these shut. Or you could just have it turn off completely regardless if you open or close the door. But I'm going to go over all of this. But before I get started, if you find my video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So I'm in a vehicle. Now, this is my particular vehicle. Your particular vehicle may have slightly different instructions, but generally speaking, they're all pretty much the same. They have universal symbols that can be applied to whatever vehicle. So with that said, let's go and get started. So I'm in my vehicle. In order to turn on the ceiling lights, I first have to look towards the ceiling. And so when you get towards the ceiling, you'll see that there are buttons, okay? So I'm first going to go with the reading lights, okay? So both the passenger and the driver's side have reading lights, and you can generally turn them on by pressing a button that looks like this. You see that? And then when I turn it off, how to turn it off, you see that's the reading light for the driver's side. Turn it off, I just go like that. And for the passenger side, it also has one. So where I can go ahead and press this button, and then to turn it off, go like that. Now, in some vehicles, the reading light is actually the light itself, and you just press on it, and it goes in, and it will turn on the reading light, and then it will turn it off. Same thing for the passenger side. So that's with some vehicles. So that is the reading light. The next thing that I want to show you is how to turn on all of the lights within the vehicle manually. And so what you do is you go ahead and you'll find this symbol for this particular vehicle. It is a switch right here. So I'm just going to go right here. And you see this symbol right here? It looks like a sun with dials right here, or it looks like the sun is beaming. I'm not exactly sure what to call that. But you have this right here. And when that is lit up, you can see the lights in the front all lit up, and in the back it is all lit up as well. So you have that. Now, one thing to notice when I look back here, there also has some options right here for the people in the rear. You actually have some sort of control back there. So I have these lit up right here, and all of the lights in the vehicle are on. If it's dark, I'm able to see a lot of things. But to turn that off, I just simply go either some vehicles you could just press this again and it will pop off, but on this particular vehicle I have to go to off. Okay, so now all of the lights in the vehicle are currently off. Now, one option that a lot of people get frustrated with is the door light. Okay, so the door. So when I open the door, I'm going to open the door right now. The lights are not coming on, but you can change that to where they do come on. All right, and so what you'll have to do is, you see this icon right here where you have the doors? This right here is for the door option. So I'm going to get it to the center right here. And so now the door option is lit. Now, if you would just have a button, a press button, you can press it in and the doors will turn on. So I'm going to go ahead and open this. You see how I opened it and the doors light, the light came on. And when I shut it, look at the lights fade off. So that's the door option. Now to have it off so they stay off regardless if the door is open, I just simply come back here to where you see this off, press that, and now the lights are off regardless if I open the door or close it. The door option is now off. That is how you can operate the ceiling lights, also called the dome lights, also called the overhead lights, also called the interior lights in a vehicle. I hope this video was helpful, and I hope you can see your way to turning on the lights. Or maybe you should turn on the lights and then be able to see your way. I'm not exactly sure, but I hope this video helped. Thanks a lot for watching.